We put rate limiting in front of a password reset, so a stampede cannot take the workers. A password reset is a slow write. The write is a hash of a secret and a row stored in the database. We have 4 workers for that path. Each reset holds 1 worker for about 400 milliseconds. And while that worker is held, it cannot take another request. 12 clients will hit that slow write together. A client that waits too long times out and retries. 12 clients do the same. The retries are not a second wave. They land on top of the work that is still running. That is the stampede. The first write is still the hash and the row, and the retry does not know that. Without a limiter, every retry is new load. The 4 workers stay busy. The next request waits a short time for a free worker. Then we answer 503. Acquire waits 200 milliseconds, then 503, and the body says workers busy. Those 503s are the pool, not a wrong password. The password reset falls over under load it created. The limiter we already built is a token bucket. Capacity 5 is the burst. Rate 2 is the refill, 2 tokens a second. 5 tokens is 1 more than 4 workers, and that extra token is the seam. The bucket sits in front of /reset. A request spends 1 token to enter. If the counter is at 0, the request waits. After about 2 seconds with no token, we refuse it with 429, and we never take a worker. The wait cap is 2 seconds, so we do not hold the caller forever. 429 means too many requests, and the limiter refused this one before the hash starts. The same class still holds rate, capacity, tokens, last, and a lock. We read time, monotonic, so a clock step cannot invent tokens. Wait sleeps outside the lock until a token lands, then spends it and returns the milliseconds we waited. The semaphore is the 4 workers. If wait exceeds 2 seconds, we return 429 and the write never starts. The wait cap is 2 seconds, so a caller that cannot get a token is freed. 12 clients hit /reset together. Each attempt retries on a timeout or a 503, up to 3 times. The table fills with 503s. Workers stay at 4. Retries keep arriving. Every extra attempt is load the endpoint made for itself. Attempt 2 and attempt 3 are the same 4 workers still held by the first wave. The same 12 clients go through the bucket. The first 4 land on a worker. The 5th spends a token and still hits a busy worker, then waits for the refill. That 5th token into 4 workers is the seam. Later requests wait about 500 milliseconds. 4 late requests hit the 2-second ceiling and we return 429. Workers drop to 1. The downstream stays up. A 429 never starts the write, so the hash and the row stay off that request. Workers drop because overflow stopped at the bucket. Capacity is the burst. Rate is the ceiling. The lock is the critical section. The workers stay up because the bucket, not the semaphore, absorbs the stampede. The 5th token into 4 workers is the seam we still read in the with table. Thank you.